Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Top 10 Facts. Exploring the world's most dangerous tourism attractions offers thrill seekers an adrenaline-pumping adventures like no other. From vertigo-inducing heights to treacherous terrains, these sites push the boundaries of human experience. However, venturing into these extreme environments demands meticulous planning, expert guidance, and a deep understanding of the risks involved. While these attractions offer a unique perspective on nature's wonders, safety should always be the top priority for those brave enough to embark on these daring journeys. Today, we'll introduce you the top 10 most dangerous tourist attractions in the world. We'll start with number 1, Mount Huashan. Mount Huashan is one of the most dangerous but at the same time the most popular tourist destination in China. Mount Huashan is an amazing mountain located in Shaanxi province. It's also known as one of the 5 scared mountains in China. Vertical slope and thousands of small levels makes the ascent to the Huashan difficult, dangerous and exciting. That's why every year thousands of tourists try to conquer this mountain. Number 2. Hussaini Hanging Bridge. This bridge is known as the most dangerous bridge in the world. As it's very narrow and old and too high above the Lake Burit, this bridge is located in northern Pakistan. Hussaini Hanging Bridge becomes more dangerous with every passing year because it was never rebuilt. Number 3. Trolltunga. Trolltunga, Troll's Tongue, is one of the most spectacular scenic cliffs in Norway. It's also one of the most popular tourist destinations in Norway. It was formed due to glaciers which grind rocks thousands of years ago. The view is unbelievable and breathtaking. Number 4. The Aiguille du Midi Skywalk. The highest mountain peak in Europe, Aiguille du Midi, was improved with a glass box that allows visitors to walk 1 kilometer above pure void below their feet. Are you ready to stand on a piece of glass at an altitude of 3,840 meters? Number 5. Devil's Pool Victoria Falls. How far would you go for glamorous photos? Would you lie down on the edge of the 108 meters waterfall in South Africa? Tourists continue to do that even despite the fact that the percent of death at Devil's Pool is one of the highest among all tourist destinations in the world. Number 6. Curac Bolton. Curac Bolton is the most dangerous stone in the world. It's located in Norway. This stone stuck between the rocks at a height of 989 meters. There's a lot of people that want to sit on it and think about the meaning of life. Number 7. Volcano Villarrica. Volcano Villarrica in Chile is a popular tourist destination known for its active lava lake and stunning panoramic views. The ascent requires a reasonable level of fitness and proper gear as it can be physically demanding. Guided tours are advisable to ensure safety and adherence to park regulations. Visitors can experience a unique blend of adventure and natural beauty, but awareness of volcanic activity and weather conditions is crucial for an enjoyable and safe visit. Number 8. Yungas Death Road, Bolivia. It's the most dangerous road in the world. The name is fully consistent. Hundreds of people die in this road each year because of its narrowness of the road and its traffic density. It's now primarily used by thrill-seeking cyclists and adventurers. Caution is paramount due to its steep drops, limited visibility, and challenging conditions. Safety measurements and guided tours are recommended for those brave enough to experience it. Number 9. Pitching a tent on the side of a 4,000 feet cliff face. Spending the night in a tent nailed to the rock is one of the new fashion trends among the crazy tourists. Pitching a tent on the side of a 4,000 feet cliff face requires expert mountaineering skills, proper equipment, and thorough safety measures. Extreme caution is essential due to the high risk involved, including unpredictable weather conditions and potential fall. Only experienced climbers should attempt such an endeavor, and they should adhere to strict safety protocols to ensure their well-being. Well, what do you think about spending a night in this tent? Last but not the least, number 10, El Caminito Del Rey. El Caminito del Rey is a breathtakingly scenic walkway located in Spain's Andalusia region. It's famous for its narrow path that clings to the cliffs, offering stunning views of the Gaitanes Gorge below. Originally built for workers to access two hydroelectric power plants, the path has been restored and reopened for visitors, providing an exhilarating experience for hikers and adventure seekers. This trail was built in 1905 and repaired only a couple of times. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. See you in the next videos.